Hello, this is the Multimedia Lab at the BYU Library, and today we're going to talk about how to use Adobe InDesign and how to thread text between frames. As you may know, Adobe InDesign is a layout program good for things with lots of graphics and lots of text. That can include infographics, magazines, newspapers, pamphlets, whatever you've got up your sleeve. So this specific skill, threading text, is good for connecting different text boxes for one large piece of text. This is especially helpful for books and magazines and newspapers. So we're going to be using a file you can find on our website, files.learnsoftware.org. So I'm going to pull that up here on my computer, and the link will be in the description below. I'm going to go to the column on the right, InDesign. I'm going to select day 1, and it's going to download a zip file for me. So I'm waiting a moment, and then I'm going to pull up my downloads. It's right there at the top. I need to extract this. This is how you do it on a PC. On a Mac, you'll do it through Disk Utility. And if I open this up, we're going to be using the text files, and I've got a couple of Word documents, which is what we need. So now I'm going to open InDesign, and this probably won't be what you'll see. You'll probably see something more like this. I'm just going to pull up a letter size. So to create the threaded text, I'm going to start by placing text via the File menu up at the top. Yeah, I can also do this through Control-D or Command-D if I'm on a Mac. I'm going to go ahead and select Place. It's already in my downloads, InDesign Day 1, InDesign Day 1 text. I'm just going to pick the first article. You can see it's pretty long. So that's what we're going to use. I'm going to hit open, and I have a loaded cursor. So that's what it's called, and you have that text, kind of that preview right next there to the cursor. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a pretty small box. So I'm going to say I'm going to have like a title and maybe a photo there on the right. And then at the bottom I'm going to have no columns. I'm just going to have a lot of space. But all the text didn't fit here, and it's giving you a warning with this little red box with the plus sign. So if I click on that, I can load my cursor again with the rest of this. And then I can draw a new box. And this is just going from this word to the next one. And you can actually see I don't quite still have all the text yet. If I need to, I can add a page in my Pages panel. I can load my cursor again with this little red box. Just need to get that loaded cursor. And scroll over, and I can draw a new box as big as I need. Now I don't actually have very much overset text here in this last area, so I'm going to undo that with Control-Z. I'm going to undo until I get rid of that extra page. And I'm just going to adjust some of these other elements until everything fits on one page. So you can see I no longer have that red box down here in the corner. If I want to see the overprint preview without the boxes and the margins and the guides, I hit W on my keyboard, or I can go up to View Overprint. And now you can see it would read through here, and then just continue. I could put a photo here. It would work out really well. There is one other way to do this, and I prepared a document to show you. So I'm going to open that. So this one I've already added a title, and I've added frames using this tool on the left. And I'm going to use Control-D to place the same article. And this one, I'm just going to click right here, and it's going to fill it in because I've already drawn the parameters. You can see it's not all fitting. So if I load my cursor again, click on my second frame, it'll fill in. You can do Overprint Preview again, and it looks pretty good. I would make some adjustments, but overall, things are looking good. So that's how you thread text using the overset text function in InDesign. If you have any other questions, we encourage you to check out our YouTube channel and come chat with us on the library website. All the links will be in the description below. Have a good one.